After registration, now I'm going to log into the nLinks app as a seller to set up my store. So I am going to log in with my registered mobile number. So it is okay. So this is my first time login. So when I sign in, it is going to verify my mobile number and it is going to generate an OTP. Okay, so now my OTP will be sent to my mobile number. I'm just checking the OTP. Okay, so the OTP, I'm entering the OTP. So now my registered mobile number is verified and I can set my 4-digit PIN here. Okay, so that is required only for the first time login. So from the next time login, I can use the 4-digit PIN that I had set up using my OTP. Okay, so now here comes my manage product screen. So I will be able to add a single product or upload product in bulk. Let me show you to add single product. So I clicked on add product and I'm just entering the product name. I have enabled auto code here, or we can disable the auto code and I will be able to enter the product code manually, whichever is required for me. So now I'm entering the MRP here and my sell price here, and then my GST quantity. If I have to provide the inventory, I can provide it, which is optional. So I'm adding a new category here called beauty, and I have an option to upload the image here. So now I click on save and upload image. Okay, so I can either take a pic and upload it, or I can just upload it. Okay, now the image is also uploaded successfully. I have entered only one image, which will be my primary image. If I opt to enter more secondary images, I can do that as well. We saw how to register a store, how to add products and set up the store, share the catalog using the social forums, and now as an end customer, I'll show you how to place an order. So now from the seller, I got this link. Now from the WhatsApp, as an end customer, I'm just clicking on the link. Okay, I see one product and then I just add to it. I click on checkout. I enter the mobile number, address, and then I select the payment mode. I click on proceed. And then I click on pay. Now that's all. My order is created and I also got an SMS saying that my order has been placed, as you can see on the screen here. So that's about it. I submit the rating. Now as a merchant, I have received an order with a notification, as you can see, saying that a new order has been received. So now as a merchant or as a seller, I click on the app to view my order. So now you can see the order that I placed as an end customer is showing up under my order screen. I just click on process to process the order, I verify the delivery address, I verify what are all the products that are being ordered, and then I click on the process order to complete my order processing. That's about it. And here in the final order processing screen, I will be able to choose the delivery partner or choose self as my delivery. So now I'm selecting self and I just process the bill. That's about it. Once I process the bill, the end customer will also receive the notification saying that his order is processed. You can see the SMS. As an end customer, I received the order processed notification. Now, once I process the order, I will be able to see it in my pending list instead of new order list, and here I'll be able to see the invoice as well. And from this pending, if I have to mark this as delivered to complete the order processing cycle, I just click on this toggle saying that order is delivered. And that's about it. I have completed my order processing cycle and it shows up in my completed screen.